everybody, Justin Worden, you're watching What's New in Electronics. We are here, final day of IPC Apex Expo in Anaheim, California. I'm with Saskia from Macdermid Alpha. How are you today?
I'm all right, thank you very much.
So, I gotta tell you this, what do you think of the show so far?
Yeah, it's a great show. It's very interesting, specifically with the conference together with it. It's really great to see all the different people and catch up with people you already know, but just to see how things go.
So did you get to go into any of the classes? And
Yes.
So how were they? I didn't get to attend any of them, so how did they go?
It's really interesting purely because you are looking at different things. Things are changing in the industry, things are going on, and just to be able to be part of it, really. So you do.
I think that's one thing that the show does very, very well, is they really take that educational aspect and like bring it to the people. And I think that's so important. You guys are really adopting a lot of that because you got a lot of changes and a lot of new advancements in your products, right?
Yes, yeah, definitely. So specifically, when you think about the industry, specifically in automotive, for example, where you're talking about EV, high voltage applications, you need new materials that are coming up, and that's obviously something important to us to know so that we can help our customers along the journey of that, yeah.
So, did you guys talk about any new products here at the show?
Yes, we definitely do. So we have some thermal materials we launched, but also a specific conformal coating we are doing, which is quite exciting for me because I'm the global product manager for conformal coatings. So yeah, that is sort of my baby.
You know, conformal coating is a very interesting industry right now. It's getting very competitive. Yeah. You know, there's a lot of new people coming into the space, but also it's getting very difficult because the boards are getting smaller. The EV industry is making things difficult. What kind of adoptions have you put in place to kind of combat that?
So for us, it's very important to, as you just said, understand that the pitch on the board is getting finer. The environment the boards are sitting is getting harsher, so condensation is a really big issue, which is then causing the electrochemical migration. And to make sure that you have a conformal coating that is actually covering the components so well that the humidity and the water can't actually get into it to cause the electrochemical migration together with other factors clearly. That is a big part. So we are focusing on our products really in the area to make sure that we give this high level of protection and the high level of reliability that is needed for this industry.
Oh, there's the buzzword, reliability, right?
Yes.
That is the buzzword, high reliability. But you know, it's so much more than just making a board reliable by putting a bunch of conformal coating all over. There's precision involved, which you stated, but there's also making sure that the people that are applying it properly. So how do you guys go in and make sure that the people using your product are using it the right way?
So what we are having already, we have, of course, different equipment at different sites of ours. So we have equipment, application equipment in the US, in India, and China, in Europe. And we have our team getting and already being fixed up with understanding how they work, making sure that we can actually help customers not just to choose the product and to make the tests, but also to make sure that they can apply it properly and to give them really this hands-on support as well.
Yeah, I think that's so important right now. I mean, with the risk of all these boards and how demanding the reliability standards are, you really got to make sure you're doing more than just selling someone a product.
Yes,
you know, I think, and that's something that goes to every industry, not just conformal coating.
Yeah.
We can all sell you something, but one, are we selling you the right thing? And are we teaching you how to use it the right way?
Yes, exactly, absolutely. I absolutely agree with you, yeah.
Okay, good. All right, well, so let me ask you this. If someone wanted to get more information on this, or maybe they want to speak specifically to you about this product, what's the best way they can get a hold of you?
So the best case is really just either have a look online at LinkedIn, for example, where you would find me. Just give us a call, email address, so it's all out there in the domain on our website. Speak to our colleagues at Macdermid Alpha. They all know me by now because I've trained them. So yes, there's a lot of ways.
Last question, and then I'll let you go. You know, the qualifying process for switching from one conformal coat to another, or one solder paste to another, or even one piece of equipment to the other is a very difficult and sometimes very lengthy process. What are you guys doing to help mitigate that time frame so that people can switch a little faster?
So what we are doing is if customers just want to have a first look to evaluate if they want to switch, because within one project to switch is always very difficult. It's always a lot easier once you have a new project. But what we are normally doing is really giving the support, coating boards for them, doing some testing for our customers as well, just to give them the first help, give them the right information to also minimize the products to test, because if you're testing 5 products or 3, it is a lot of money and a lot of time involved in that. So, and then obviously also the local support on the machines and equipment and so on and so forth as well. So our teams, just not the sales teams only, but also the technical support teams are very, very dedicated to support that.
Well, I think it's safe to say that with Macdermid Alpha, you're buying more than just a product. You're getting a team to help you apply it.
Oh yes,
All right.
a very big team.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you very much.